Hey guys, so today we're going to discuss crypto.com, why it's been tanking recently. Let's take a look at I'm on CoinGecko here, and we're going to look at CRO, okay? So let's see the markets. Look at the last 30 days, okay? Negative 33.4%. Last 14 days, negative 25.5. Last 7 days, negative 28.1. We're seeing a small increase within the last hour here, but some people buying back in. And the reason why it's tanking, like that's a big percentage dip, right? The reason why they're dipping is because crypto.com made an adjustment to their interest rates. So I really, really like what crypto.com has been doing. I like the fact that they have a metal card that earns cash back, gives you redemption back to some of your services like Spotify and things like that. I like their whole branding. I like the website design. I like that they're a full exchange as well. But what I don't like is the fact that they just made a significant change recently and dipped the earnings that people really, really love on their CRO, as well as passive income opportunities with staking other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, even stable coins like Tether, USD coin. So let's look at the current rates. If you're not staking over 100,000 CRO, right? You're getting 0.25% basically per year in interest. That's nothing, right? That's barely anything at all. Ethereum 0.50, but not even 1%, guys. 2% on Tether, 2% on USD coin. Just not good. Just not good. Okay. Why they're doing this, I have no idea. Okay. Let's say you have over 100,000 CRO tokens. Then it ups the ante a little bit, gets a little more exciting, 0.75 per year, 1% for Ether, right? 4% on Tether. So it gets to a point where it appears to me that they're not focusing on this at all. And a lot of people were holding CRO. A lot of people were staking it long-term. And if you've got your contract in there already, they can't really change or adjust the percentages you're getting if you're already, agreed on a 6 month or a year or whatever, right? Staking option. But for the new people getting into crypto.com, the numbers have just slashed. So that's hence, the dip here. Now you're seeing some growth here within the last hour of not even a percentage, okay? So where do I see this going? What I'm seeing lately is they're focusing more on the syndicate, right? So there's different syndicate events where you can stake a certain amount of CRO and then buy at a reduced price, like 50% off certain altcoins. They had one for Bitcoin, special event, right? It's ended right now. So all these different events here, they're focusing on that, which is cool. And also they have, the supercharger as well, which means if you stake, if you put a certain amount of CRO in your account and deposit it into the supercharger, you can get some, for in this case, Uni swap protocol, right? Uni tokens. So if you put it in for the 30 days, you can put it in, you can take it out anytime without a contract, without actually staking it, you're just putting it in there. Then you get some Uni token back after, the following month, you're gonna get paid out, right? So it takes just a moment to deposit your CRO, and then you can take them out at any time, and then you're gonna get paid out next month, every day, gradually for 30 days. So that's cool. But the limitation here, guys, is the fact that, you're not gonna earn passive income here the way that you used to, okay? I love the app. I love everything about crypto.com, the branding. I love the credit cards. I love all that stuff. I like that they're focusing heavy on DeFi, right? I like that they're focusing heavy on DeFi as well, with the DeFi swap application availability. But when it comes to earning passive income, guys, the reason why it's tanking right now is because people want to put their money in places that are earning passive income, generating some real yields here, some real passive income opportunities of high interest. That's why I'm a big fan of Celsius, okay? So Celsius Network, I'm an ambassador for Celsius Network, and I stand behind the brand. What I also like is the weekly videos that Alex features and talks about his company and talks about the branding and where they're putting their money and how they're investing their funds and how they're growing, right? So, you know, Celsius, if you look at the earns here in Celsius, okay? Like let's take a quick look at the numbers here, all right? Up to 22.40% annually, 15.89 with Tether, 6.13 with Bitcoin, 9.65 with Ethereum. All right. Now, if you're international like myself, I'm Canadian, it's going to be a slightly different rates than in the US. Okay. But if you can look at the significant difference here, the numbers compared to crypto.com earn is just ridiculous. Like, look at this here. You know, if you have 2.6 ETH, $1,000 USD value, if you're getting paid out on ETH, you're getting 7.06 per year. Or if you want to get paid in Cell token, you're getting 9.65. That's way more than crypto.com. This is just insane. And Celsius is they grew over 2,000% on their Cell token, okay, in the last while. Now, there's still room for growth. So Celsius is not just a coin, it's a company that allows you to earn interest with your crypto investments, but it also provides loans. So this is a financial institution, basically, allows you to utilize your crypto as an investment and use it as an asset and put it towards getting a crypto loan. So you can pay off your current debts. So you get paid in fiat, or you can get paid in stable coin as well. So let's look at the USD. The rates are a little different here, but look at these interest rates, guys. Right? Look at these interest rates here. So like Ethereum, 7%, Celsius, 5.12, Bitcoin, 6, Matic, 16.16. You know, that's the United States. Let's go to international. So I'm in Canada. If you're getting paid out in Cell, 9.65. So if you feel like Cell is going to go up, 9.65. If you just want to, kind of collect your Ethereum, 7.6 is not bad, right? Bitcoin, 6.2 or 4.51. So the numbers are just a huge difference, guys. You can also use Cell Pay to pay other Cell members, right? With the app, right? And you can send to an email address, and you can send cryptocurrency to each other. And yeah, it's just an amazing platform. Alex is out every week going on calls, and there's a huge community here. You can become an ambassador, you can become an affiliate, right? It's just the sky's the limit here. Do they need some work in certain avenues? Yes. What I would like to see with Celsius is I would like to see an improved affiliate marketing effort to become an affiliate. I'm an affiliate marketer, guys. If you guys didn't already know, I'm a digital marketer, affiliate marketer. So you earn up to $50 per referral. I like how this looks. You can get paid out every quarter if you're an affiliate, or $50 per qualifying referral. So just like the referral program, if you get someone to sign up under your link, if you guys sign up under my link, for example, I have a referral bonus. You get $20, I get $20 if you deposit over $200 for at least 30 days, okay? The referral program allows people to earn $50 per qualifying user. Now the person that signed up will not get a bonus, but still this is kind of building awareness around the brand, right? as an affiliate program would normally do it. Now, what I would like to see improved in the affiliate program is better tracking data. So as of right now, there's no way to track who clicks on what, who's signing up on what, and what stage they are in, okay? I would like to see the affiliate program, just like the referral program. You can see who signed up and you know, how long they've been in, how long they have until you receive the bonus, right? So that's the only thing I would recommend on that end. The referral program's great, but I'd like to see some improvements in the affiliate program. An example, you know, there's a few different applications that allow you to track your affiliate links and where the progression goes. One of those avenues would be one of the platforms I would recommend for the affiliate tracking side of things. I would recommend Kartra. Kartra gives you state-of-the-art advanced tracking where you can make multiple tracking links for your affiliate link. You can check all the stats, who's clicking on what, etc. Right? So I would like to see that being added to the Celsius network as an affiliate marketer. That's what I strongly suggest. Another avenue is when you sign up for Celsius right now, the only way to sign up is through an app, okay? So, which is great because Celsius is an app. So you can sign up with App Store and Google Play. What I would like to see, similar to crypto.com, is I would like to see a web-based portal, right? For their upcoming DeFi swap application, and also maybe integrate some kind of exchange platform, okay? That'd be nice. But if there is no exchange, maybe just a more advanced graph and chart as well. Similar to crypto.com here, you can kind of view the markets a little better, etc. Right? Other than that, Celsius Network has so much opportunity, so much room to grow. So Alex, if you're watching this video, I'd like to see a web-based platform where you can log in, not just the app, but web-based, because I'm usually on my desktop. A lot of traders and a lot of people in cryptocurrency are on their desktop, laptop, living a laptop lifestyle, right? So we'd like to see a web-based app, okay, please. And like I said, a more advanced affiliate tracking system for our referrals, because you know what? I'm very passionate, very excited about this project, right? Celsius growing. I believe it's going to get a lot of adoption in the following years, but you need to make it easy, right? You need to make it easy. I know everything's improving, but make it easy for people to get in and understand and log in right from a computer, okay? But yeah, this is the next thing, guys. If you're looking at earning passive income, and even look at the loan side of things, like there's no credit score needed for your loans here at an extremely low interest, okay? So I'll show you guys this, extremely low interest. So you can use your crypto as collateral and get a very, very low interest loan, okay? If I want to borrow $1,000, this is how much collateral is needed. And then you can set your term, all right? So you want to borrow $1,000, that's how much Bitcoin you need, etc. Right? True USD. So it's, as you can see, you need 4x more than what you're borrowing. So if you're going to borrow $1,000, you need 4,000. That way, you're not going to get into debt because you put some money down there, and they know you're good for it because you have it in the account, and you're going to keep that funds. Your funds are going to keep growing if it's Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example, or Cell. It's going to keep growing if you believe the markets are going to move up continuously over time. You're still making money on your crypto. You're gaining value on your crypto, but then you can pay off your debts or even invest into new coins as well, right? So this is a huge opportunity for you guys. Like I said, the reason why crypto.com is tanking lately, as you can see in the numbers. So the reason why it's moving down, like that's a big percentage, guys. They had a good year, 233% gain, but down 33%. And the reason why is the passive earnings is just not there anymore. It's just not there anymore. So if you guys are looking to make interest, looking to make some high interest rates on your crypto that you believe is going to grow, then take action on Celsius. If you guys sign up under my link below, it's going to help. It's going to help my channel, right? It's going to help my channel. So make sure you destroy the like button. Make sure you subscribe to this channel as well if you want to see more content like this. And yeah, sign up under my link. I'm going to get you guys to sign up under the referral link because you get $20 yourself in your investment. All you need to do is deposit at least $20 worth of crypto for 30 days, okay? If you guys want to more help my channel out a little bit, then I have my affiliate link below, which there's no bonus or anything, but it does help my channel out, and I get a little bit of credit to help pay off my my investments and to keep this up and running for you guys, okay? So this is David Wynn, August University. Please take action on this, and if you guys want to see more content like this, comment below, and tell me you got in as well. Anyone that signs up under my referrals, I like to stay connected with you guys and just have a group chat, maybe discuss, you know, what's going on with Celsius, and just kind of like learn from each other, grow together, and make it happen, and then live a lifestyle of freedom, right? Live a freedom lifestyle of abundance and success. All right, guys. Love you guys. Appreciate you all, and see you in the next video.